All right. So, what is today? The third? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, Chantel bought a new car for $21,000. The value of the car is depreciating. Decreasing. So you're going to take your 100% and you're going to subtract something at a rate of 18% per year.
Got this. A sub n. No, U sub n.
Okay.
U sub n equals un minus 1 times 0.18.
So close.
I gotta go.
If it's going down 18%, how much is it maintaining?
Oh, so
How much is it maintaining? 82. Does that make sense?
yeah.
That's what 18 right at the top?
Yep, from right here.
Okay.
Depreciating means that you're going to subtract it from 100%. If it's increasing, it would be 100% plus that. Yeah?
Real bad one.
All right, and then what else do you need for a recursive formula?
U sub 0 is 18. I don't know.
Oh, it's 21,000. 21,000. Okay. Not too bad?
No.
Does anybody love converting recursive into exponential way better than arithmetic? Geometric is so much better. Just a thought. Alright, what's from your notes? If it says exponential equation, what variables do you need to use? You need f and f of x. What does x stand for in this problem? So what does n stand for? This is your n value. This is your a sub n or u sub n value. Which one is money? X. No, f of x is the money. So the output, right? The y. This is y. Your y value, right? Your output is the value of the car.
Oh, so it's not the cost of the, oh, that's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. They just use the word value, so I near them. So what does x stand for?
How many years?
How many years? Very nice. Time in years.
So that's like the common difference.
This is the common difference. The 0.82 is the common difference, yes.
But it's not, it's for the second one, the X, the N is considered the common difference.
Well, you're going to substitute this value in.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So the beauty is, when you take a recursive and you change it into an exponential function, all you got to do is take your initial value and multiply it by your common, and difference is for arithmetic, this one's ratio, right, because it's geometric. Multiply it by that 0.82 and raise it to the x power. Bubble. Okay, so it's initial value times common ratio to the x. Yes. Alright, take a second, see if you can get that guy. And we'll sneak on to the next question.
What is X?
X is time in years, and f of x is the value of the car in dollars, not pounds. We're not in English. Because that would just be great. Alright, how much is the car worth in 5 years? So we have
Okay,
this
so,
lovely equation.
right. Times 5.
Not times 5.
Oh, to the 5th.
To the 5th. We're going to insert 5. We're going to substitute 5 in for our x. This is years. Years is our x value. So we're finding f of 5.
Wait, hold on. Oh, that's the same thing as putting the 5 at the top, right?
calculate it for me? Oh, with all of your infinite calculators. It's okay, Miss Holly calculated it ahead of time.
Miss Holly, do you have any razors? Daddy, you think Daddy
Perfect. That's exactly what you should have gotten. You should have gotten 7,700. Come on. There we go. 7,785.54. If it is a word problem, how do you write your answer?
Sentences.
So what does this mean? Give me a sentence.
Your car is worth blah, blah, blah in 5 years.
Your car is worth blah, blah, blah in 5 years. I like that. Your car. Girl, just move up so you can see.
Oh, I can see it now in the car.
Yeah, what somebody says tells you what it is.
It blurs in and out.
Your car is worth blah, blah, blah in 5 years. And then just for, you know, the sake of English teachers everywhere, since this is a sentence, I'll even start it with a capital letter.
It's 7.
Yep.
775.
No, it's not. That was
Wow,
Yep.
I kind of like it.
Yep. You can look at, that's when you use the recursive formula. Yep. So, what's up?
We just put, when is it? Okay.
So you put 0.25 up where? Why
I don't think I should know what that is.
No. So because this is years, what is worth, wives? We're looking at worth. What's worth? It's the money, right? So what are you going to plug it in for x or for f of x? It's going to get substituted in for f of x. Well, what is a third of the initial value? What's a third of 21,000?
A third of it.
How do you figure out what a third of that is?
Divided by 3.
Divided by 3. So what do you get? What's 21 divided by 3?
7. So you have 700. No.
Close.
7,000.
7,000. So this we're substituting in for which value? F of x. So 7,000 equals 2100 times 0.85 to the x. Yeah, we don't know how to do that yet. We'll get there. But we don't know how to get x out of there yet. But since you have the
Divide by, yeah.
yes. We will know how to do this in a couple weeks.
Oh wait, what's she trying to do?
We're trying to figure out what x is.
No,
Okay? So for now, all you're expected to do is guesstimate. Check out this value. What do you notice about this value? Compared to this. It's not too much bigger though, it's pretty close, right? So this is year 5. Let's figure out what year 6 is. What's f of 6? What's f of 6? Beautiful. 6,384.14. So where does 7,000 fall? Hey, knock it off. Where does 7,000 fall? In between. So between year what and what? Between years 5 and 6? Something in that vicinity. Between year 5 and 6, the car will be worth 1/3 of its value. Does anybody know if it gets with an apostrophe or not? I still can't wrap my head around that. That's for it is, right?
Yes.
The third of its value it is. What does that say? Third of its value. Between year 5 and 6, the car will be worth a third of its value. That's the answer.
So that voice.
Is what's supposed to be 2100. So what, we want to know when this guy's going to be 7,000, right? The output's going to be 7,000. But because x is in the exponent, we haven't talked about how to get it out of there yet. And you do not need to deal with it yet. So like for your quiz, if they ask you for something that's the f of x value, you're just going to use that recursive formula and kind of guesstimate for now. Okay? Cool?